This is the hammock I use, and I get a lot of questions about it, and it's nothing special. Let's start down here with the tree straps. These were originally tie down straps I used to use for work, and I just grabbed them and used them now as my tree strap. I cut off the hook that was here and there. Now you're going to want to use an angle grinder if you do that. Don't use bolt cutters because it will break the bolt cutters. It's about 6 foot long plus a little extra, almost 7 foot probably. It holds 400 pounds. These hooks right here, I'm not sure where I got them. I got a whole bunch of them somewhere for dirt cheap. They hold roughly about 400 pounds. Then we come down to the hammock. This is the Eno double nested, and she's old. I could probably replace her, but I really don't want to because I like it. In fact, the bag fell off and it's over there in that mess somewhere. Oh, don't mind my shirt. So I took the original hardware off of it, had the cordage right here, and went ahead and made a continuous loop out of Amsteel. It works great. And I do have some Amsteel tree straps, but I really never use them because this is so easy to adjust. This is the hook that came with it, and probably 400 pounds or whatever that means. I'm sure somebody will know, but I haven't felt yet. I'm right around, I want to say, probably pushing 240 right now. Yeah, I'm fluffy level 1. Anyway, this is interesting setup right here. This continuous line that goes all the way across. No, it's not a ridge line. It has a purpose. And I'll show that to you when I hop in it. So when you hop in this hammock, what'll happen if you don't have this continuous line on here is all the pressure will go on the hammock. And then it bunches you up in what I call burrito mode. But if you have this continuous line on here, which I need to tighten up soon, because it's not taut enough yet still, it doesn't do that. It gives you some play here in the hammock and makes it more comfortable so you don't freaking burrito up. And you can darn near sleep almost sideways in this thing like so. Let's do that real quick. And get comfortable and just move around, and you don't have to worry about the hammock kind of bunching you up. Now let's take a look at the hang. I'll hop out real quick. Does he make the dismount? There we go. We'll get up here and take a look at the angle of the hang. There's a lot of people out there in different forums you're going to read, and especially if you're new to hammocking, are going to tell you you need like a 30-degree hang. No, you don't. Set it up, get in there, and get comfortable. That's all there is. And then when you figure out where it is, you tighten up your continuous line right there, ridge line, to where you want it. And if you look at the hammock right there, and we're not, okay, this is a little bit more level. That may be a 40 or 30 degree angle. Not much. But if you notice, the head side's up higher, and the foot side's down a lot lower. And that's how my hammock is set up. I'm comfortable with it. And thanks for watching.